Welcome. Today, we're addressing the big question. Which GPU is best, NVIDIA or AMD? Let's start with features. NVIDIA's GPUs are known for their ray tracing technology, DLSS, and CUDA cores. AMD's GPUs, on the other hand, offer features like RDNA architecture, infinity cache, and smart access memory. Both have their unique offerings, but the choice depends on what you value in your graphics card. Now, let's discuss pricing. NVIDIA's lineup, particularly the RTX series, is usually pricier than AMD's Radeon series. However, NVIDIA's GPUs are often perceived as offering better performance, which some may argue justifies the higher cost. If budget is a major concern, AMD might be the better choice. User experience is another crucial factor. NVIDIA's software suite, including GeForce Experience, is generally considered more user-friendly and stable. AMD's Adrenalin software has improved significantly, but some users report stability issues. If a smooth, hassle-free user experience is your priority, NVIDIA might edge out AMD. How about integrations? NVIDIA's GPUs are well integrated with a broad range of software and games, largely due to their widespread adoption and CUDA technology. AMD's GPUs also offer good compatibility, but some software and games are better optimized for NVIDIA. This round goes to NVIDIA if software compatibility is crucial for you. Performance-wise, both NVIDIA and AMD have GPUs that can handle demanding games and applications. NVIDIA's high-end GPUs are often seen as the performance leaders, but AMD's recent GPUs have closed the gap significantly. Your choice here depends on the specific GPU models and their performance in the tasks you'll be using them for. Security is equally important. Both NVIDIA and AMD take security seriously and regularly release driver updates to address vulnerabilities. However, NVIDIA's larger market share means it's often targeted more by hackers, which could potentially lead to more vulnerabilities being discovered. Let's talk about support. NVIDIA's widespread adoption means extensive online support is available from the community if you run into problems. AMD also has robust support, but due to its smaller user base, you might find less community troubleshooting advice online. What about scalability? Both NVIDIA and AMD offer multi-GPU configurations, but the support for this is dwindling in modern games. NVIDIA's NVLink offers better bandwidth than AMD's Crossfire, but with the limited support for multi-GPU setups, this might not be a critical factor in choosing between the two. Let's consider the ideal users. NVIDIA's high-end GPUs are well suited for hardcore gamers and professionals who need high-performance graphics. AMD's GPUs, offering excellent performance for the price, are a great choice for budget-conscious gamers and those who don't need the absolute highest performance. So, who's the winner? It's not easy to declare a clear winner as both NVIDIA and AMD have their strengths. However, if we had to choose, NVIDIA takes the crown for its superior performance, better software integration, and user-friendly experience. AMD, though, remains a strong contender, especially for those on a budget. To sum up, NVIDIA wins for its performance, software integration, and user-friendly experience. However, AMD offers excellent value for money, making it a great choice for those on a tighter budget. So, which GPU is best? It depends on your specific needs and budget. Thank you for watching this comparison. We hope it's given you a clearer picture of NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Stay tuned.